All right, let's see what's in the package. I got the Auxito LED light for my 2007 Grand Cherokee. Let's open this up. I've been wanting to put LED lights in for a while now, and this company reached out to me and asked me to do a collaboration, so here we go. Look at this. Get a pair of gloves, instruction manual, and there's the lights. Cool. Let's put them in. I know this is daylight, but I figured I'd get a before. I don't know if you can see it over here because of the sunlight, but there's a before. I put the bulbs in. I don't know if you can see down in here, but I just take the wire off first. It's not cooperating. There we go. Take the wire out, twist counterclockwise, and pull it right out. Come on, there you go. Boom. There's that one. These things got a little fan on them too. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can. Let's see if we can do this. Let it in. There it is, and twist it into place. Boom. It's easy as that. I'll do the other side and we'll see what they look like. There we go, they're in. Wow, they're bright. I left the truck dirty. All I did was take the old bulbs out, put the new LED bulbs in. Again, Auxito LED light. And there's the part number there. This is for 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Check them out. This here is a before shot while I'm driving home from work. And the lighting. I knew they were going to be bright, but I didn't think it'd be that much brighter. I don't know if you can see the difference. There's where we stopped yesterday. Wow, I'm digging these. And once I put the Auxito LED headlights in here, we'll take another video of this same road. There's usually not any traffic on this road, and I mean, we got some light bleeding in from the porch lights and stuff, but you can still see I believe you can see the light on the road, and in the light on the signs too. Should be a big difference once we put the LED lights in. But that is a big improvement over the last lights. Now look at my high beams. They're just up higher, but the other lights are overpowering it, I think. Well, let's go down through here and you can see the house numbers popping out. I'm really liking these lights. Should have done this a whole lot earlier. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Auxito LED lights, go check them out. There's an affiliate link down in the description. And also remember to put $1 dozen in the apply code box and you'll receive a 15% discount. So I really enjoy these lights. I think they worked really, really well. They're so much brighter than the original ones. So we'll see as we go along, but I'll let you know if there's any difference. So go check them out. And please like and subscribe. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.